Welcome. Today we will explore how to mark a chat as read on Gmail with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, locate and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. This will bring up your list of recent chats. Next, long tap on the sender's username within the chat that you wish to mark as read. This action will highlight the chat and reveal additional options. Now, look for and tap on the Mark as Read option among the menu choices. By selecting this option, you signify that you have acknowledged and read the contents of the chat. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your chats on Gmail by marking them as read once you've reviewed them. This feature helps you stay organized and keep track of your communication effectively. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial on how to mark a chat as read on Gmail. Stay tuned for more insightful tips and tricks to enhance your email experience.